Coco.
Go back here.
Stand him up.
Come here, Noah. Noah.
Oh, you're not doing. You want help?
Come here, Coco.
Stop following me, Coco.
Come on, Noah.
He's like, this is easier.
She's doing the Mowgli crawl.
Coco.
Go see Coco.
Noah.
Are you gonna blow a kiss? What are you blowing kisses? Say
Here it
wow.
comes. Come on.
The pivot turn is a new one.
Come on.
Go ahead, go see her. Go see Coco.
Stay, Coco.
Do you pet her? Maybe we'll
Almost.
go if I go. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go see her.
Did it standing up and going back up again.
Because you got them big old thighs.
Just stomp on it.
Come on. Come on.
That's good. Let him get it now.
Oh, you have this one.
Coco.
Go see Coco?
Come here. Sit.
He's attacking you. And he goes.
We'll protect you, Coco. Hi. Hi, Noah. Hi.
Yeah, he'll stand up. Good boy.
I'm coming to get you.
You ever get a good start, bud? Oh, who's that? Oh, who is that?
Are you walking? Did you say yes? What are you doing? Making you do parlor tricks while I'm gone?
We got him to clap hands.
You
So
did.
now
Garbage.
he's the perfect height of the trash can, so that's now
new.
interesting.
It sure is.
See who he likes best, Grandma or Grandpa?
And wait, not a good start. Stand up.
Come here, Buff. Go. Come here, bud. Stop, pokes.
You saw your phone, you went for that.
Oh.
So little baby,
Hey.
what do you see?
Hey.
Come here, Coco.
Just hold her collar.
Come here, Coco.
And they're off. Easy. She's going fast, huh?
Good boy. Touch soft.
Nah.
Where'd Coco go now? Where'd Coco go now?
He's like, why can't I walk as fast as her?
What'd you see? Did you see the camera?
He's gonna be a photographer when he grows up.
Yeah? Did you see the camera? You can clap hands for yourself?
Be careful. Coco, be straight. Come on.
Noah, can you clap hands? Clap hands. Good boy! Good boy! Good boy!